Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This stupid dog's barking at me. Welcome to the channel. Let's try to put this fender on. Okay, let's see if it fits. Welcome. These dogs. Constantly barking. Alright, let's try to put this fender on, guys. Let's see. Watch out. Let's try to put this fender on. Okay. Alright, y'all got me right here. Let's see. I'm gonna leave it there. Let's get this fender. Y'all can bark all y'all want. Go ahead. Bark. Damn. I'm outside in peace. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, getting on my nerves. Really getting on my nerves. Alright, Max, watch that. Can't come outside in peace. Hearing these dogs. Okay. Oh. That's a good thing. Still got the bracket on here, guys. So I got the straight bracket on here. So I don't need this other one on here. It's kind of bent anyways. But I gotta go get. I gotta go get my tool. Let's see. Alright. Hey. cussing. I don't usually cuss, but these dogs really getting on my nerves. Can't come outside in damn peace. Take this bracket off of here. Because we got. Wait a minute. Yeah. Gotta take the bracket. Alright. I do believe that bracket a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Should be going straight. Okay. All right. There. Okay. Okay, something. Like I said before, something ain't right. Max, where you at? Look at these mosquitoes out here. Oh, look. I said, God. I did. I said, golly. These mosquitoes are out here. It ain't fitting right. It ain't fitting right. You probably gotta take this off of the fender and put it up here. I don't know, guys. Too busy washing my dog out here, and these other dogs over here barking. Kind of got me distracted. I'm trying to figure this out. Something is off in this area. Hope y'all can see it from the camera. Let's see. Yeah, y'all should be able to see that. I don't know, because back here, everything lines up perfect. And maybe up here, something's off a little bit as well. I don't feel like taking this off of this fender, but I think I'm going to have to take this one off and put it on here, because this thing ain't lining up perfectly. I need to put some mosquito spray on these. These mosquitoes are out here. Damn. got the peace. The dog done quiet down a little bit. Give it back. Give it. We're not going to be able to get this on in one take. Something is not right. I need to get something to hold that up. Something to hold it up. Freaking mosquitoes. Dog barking now, the damn mosquitoes out here. Fuck out of here. Oh man, I'm cussing kind of loud. You know? Forgot I'm recording, guys. Sorry. These mosquitoes, man. Cussing, I don't want to cuss like I shouldn't. Hard words. Shouldn't be saying that. Hope I can block them out. But I don't know. These mosquitoes, man. I'm just got my dog out here and everything. I can't focus. I can't focus, man. But he wanted to come out, so he wanted to come out, but I can't focus with him out here. Stuff is in the way. It's like everything is in the way. The suspender should be all the way up here. Okay, so that's how I'm looking. It's supposed to be all the way up here. I think we got a serious problem, guys. I think this is worse than what it looks like. It's worse. It is worse. I do believe it is worse. Okay, we got it. Okay. Ooh, that stick fall, boy. My head getting crushed. Come. Oh, come. I think I need to take the hood completely off. But it looks like it might rain today. So, guys, I know I didn't do much in this video. I know. But this is the end of the video. And I'm sorry, but I'm gonna work on this stuff off camera, and then we're gonna come back in the next video and we're gonna figure this thing out, alright? So like, comment, share, subscribe, and we will see you again when we're back in the yard. Remember, yard 2, not 1. We're in yard 2.